very good morning to everyone. I am Aditya Nikam, the head boy of the Sardar Dastur Hoshan Boys High School for the year 2021-22. It is such an honor and a privilege to be here today. On behalf of our principal, Mrs. V.R. Kotapati, staff and all the students, I extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, the president of the Sardar Dastur Schools Trust, Colonel S.K. Padamji, invited guests, dear parents and students. May I request our principal ma'am to welcome our chief guest with a bouquet of flowers. I request our chief guest to light the lamp and garland the portraits of our respected founder, Shams ul Ulema Sardar Khan Bahadur, Dr. Hoshang Jamasp Dastur, and Sardar Dastur Hormaz Diyar Noshirwan Kaikobar Dastur. I think we will all agree that the past 18 months or so have been very challenging and difficult for everyone all over the world. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused a global crisis leading to a dramatic loss of human life worldwide. It has presented an unprecedented challenge to public health, food systems, and the world of work. Simply put, the resulting lockdown led to the closure of workplaces and educational institutions. The resulting economic losses and the overburdened medical infrastructure brought many powerful countries to their knees. For a few months, the world came to a standstill as doctors and scientists struggled to battle the coronavirus, to conquer it, and to find ways and means to stop it from spreading worldwide. But as history is a witness, the human spirit is indomitable. We did finally succeed in overcoming the adverse conditions. Slowly but steadily, the world is getting back on its feet again. In the process, we have learned some valuable lessons: to respect nature, to value life, to appreciate our family and our health, things that we have always taken for granted. As we celebrate the new normal, or normal, where wearing a mask, carrying a sanitizer, and using it, of course, is a part of our regular routine now. The new normal also includes online classes, where our homes became our classrooms and our teachers became images on a screen. The mobile phone, which was earlier strictly prohibited, now became our best friend, the most important tool in digital education. Traditional education practices were not going to work in the online mode. Realizing this, our teachers enthusiastically took up the challenge of mastering the ingenious use of digital techniques and tools for the teaching-learning process as well as for evaluation. And not just this, several co-curricular activities and programs like the Yoga Day, Environment Day, English, Hindi, and Marathi Day celebrations, Constitution Day, have been celebrated online just as we celebrate our annual concert today. I hope you enjoy our program as much as we have enjoyed putting it up for you, dear parents. Now I hand over the proceedings of our annual concert to our masters of ceremony, Suyash Chandolkar and Pranav Parab. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You have to fight to reach your dream. You have to sacrifice and work hard for it. In the words of Lionel Messi, I, Suyash Chandolkar,
And I, Pranav Parab.
welcome you all for our annual day celebration.
Yes, it is a day where we wait for a year to celebrate our success and tradition. And I take great pride to welcome you all for this cultural extravaganza. Let us together watch a colorful rainbow of programs unfold.
We invoke the blessings of God in our prayer to Him, followed by our school song and later a heartwarming welcome song.
And now I hand over the mic to Atharva.
I request you all to join your hands and close your eyes. O my God, we look upon you at the beginning of this day as our Lord and Father, so that you may guide us away from all sins. Guide us, O Lord, we pray, so that we may always be blessed with good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. Bless our school, our homes, our parents, guardians, and teachers. Bless the souls of all the founders and patrons of this school. Guide the leaders of our nation and preserve and strengthen the union of our country.
We are the students, so bold and brave. We're happy children, honest and true. Love and gratitude we offer you. Dear alma mater, we're proud of you. Our life
one cannot stop humming the famous Marathi songs of Udal Udal Ho and Zing Zing Zingat. You don't need to know the lyrics, the tune is enough to get your feet tapping. So let's put our hands together for the Marathi dance.
असं काय करताय डोळ्यात बोलताय है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू लुप छुप देखे आंखों में झाके है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू असं काय करताय डोळ्यात बोलताय है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू लुप छुप देखे आंखों में झाके है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू मुझे बता जरा कहता क्या दिल तेरा इश्क का रंग अग बाय 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 बाय
Indeed, an energetic performance. Thank you, boys.
I request our Principal Madam, Mrs. V.R. Kotapati, to present our school annual report.
Annual report of the Sardar Dastur Hossain Boys High School for the year 2019-20, 2021. A very good morning to one and all. I extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Colonel S.K. Padamji, the president of the Sardar Dastur Schools Trust, parents and students. It is really a different feeling to be addressing you online, something I'm doing for the first time. It is also the first time we are attempting an online annual concert and prize distribution. The world is going through an unprecedented crisis in light of the COVID-19 outbreak since March 2020. Despite the overwhelming consequences of the pandemic, it has also been an extraordinary time for learning. While a lot of business and companies have put their work on hold. Some sectors have emerged as saviors. One such group that is doing a plethora of work but stays unappreciated is the teachers. Normally, in the annual report, the principal of any educational institution documents the achievements of the school and the students. However, before I do that, today I would like to take this opportunity to focus on the achievement of our teachers, the challenges faced by them, and highlight their role in the achievement of our education targets. Our teachers were forced to act without much warning and a very little time to prepare. Most of the teachers had very little or no training and were not very conversant with the use of the online methods of teaching and learning. Curriculums were modified or condensed, lesson plans adapted, and working methods were totally converted from the traditional blackboard and chalk to the use of the online apps like the Zoom, Google Classroom, and Google Meet to reach out to students so that they do not lose touch with learning. And it was definitely not an easy task. It was a difficult situation where many students did not possess smartphones or computers. In fact, teachers themselves had to rush out to equip themselves with their modern tools of learning, poor or no connectivity of the internet. Even before the pandemic hits, the profession of teachers included multiple roles. Many students had no access to counselors, high-tech e-learning facilities, or even an environment to study at home. Many of them come from humble backgrounds of resources, availability, and emotional understanding in their families. We teachers played the role of guardians, friend, and mentor along with our primary jobs. As it is said, necessity is the mother of invention. We underwent training, and in a very short period of time, we equipped ourselves with the knowledge and techniques to embrace the new methods of teaching. Let me share a PowerPoint presentation showing some of the activities that took place in the academic year 2019-20, 2021. We could not have any sports activities due to the lockdown. However, we did conduct many co-curricular activities online. Yoga Day, English Day, Hindi and Marathi Divas celebrations. All these were organized with the aim of providing opportunities to the students to showcase their talents despite the constraints of online classes. Counseling sessions have been conducted for all the students by our school counselor, Ms. Dipali Raskar. These sessions covered topics ranging from online class etiquette to ways and means of handling stress during the lockdown sessions, on tips on handling children during lockdown were conducted for parents too. These sessions were greatly appreciated by parents who were going through a lot of problems themselves. KMM sessions held weekly as well as those conducted by the Connecting Group Peers Educators Program helped in boosting the morale of our students and keep them motivated. Moving on to our achievements in the Inspire Awards instituted by the Government of India, Ministry of Science and Technology. Aryan Ladkar, project name Paper Fuge, a 10 rupee device that could transform healthcare. It is a critical step in the diagnosis of infections like malaria and HIV. was selected for national level Inspire in the year 2018, and which was also forwarded and selected by the ICER to demonstrate the project. Master Vivek Sai Aswani of Sardar Dastur Hoshang Boys High School has been selected for the national level Inspire Science Exhibition project competition. His project, Chairless Chair, was selected at the state level Inspire Science Exhibition at Amravati. He represented Maharashtra state at the national level through a virtual platform online exhibition starting from 4th September 2021 to 8th September 2021. Other students whose projects have been selected are for the district level. Devang Sonavne of Standard 10th, name of the project Intelligent Staircase. Vedant Rasne of Standard 9th, name of the project Making Mosquito Coils Last Longer. Vaibhav Fartare of Standard 8th, name of the project Manual Bedsheet Squeezer. Sai Sonavne of Standard 9th, name of the project Saving Water Through Usage Monitor. Sardar Dastur Hoshang Boys High School works for all-round development of our students. Our school experience sets the stage of success later in life and provides a lifetime of positive memories to our students. Keeping in mind our school motto, good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. Before I conclude, I would like to acknowledge the extreme hard work of my dedicated staff and faculty by working round the clock to keep our school at the zenith of success. I would like to thank the Board of Management of the Sardar Dastur Schools Trust for their support and encouragement. A very special thank you to our beloved President, Colonel S.K. Padamji, for his presence and support. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, madam.
Dance is enjoyed by millions of people all over the world, and we Dasturians are amongst them. Yes, we enjoy dancing for fun and happiness. Let's welcome our troupe of dancers who will present a fun-filled dance.
चलाओ ना नैनों से बाण रे जान ले लो ना जान रे जान ले लो ना जान रे कहीं निकल न जाए कहीं निकल न जाए हमरी बॉडी से हमरी बॉडी से हमरी बॉडी से प्राण रे हमरी बॉडी से प्राण रे तेरे जाने का गम और न आने का गम फिर ज़माने का गम क्या करे बहुत आई गई यादें मगर इस बार तुम ही आना तुम पर हम हैं अटके यारा दिल भी मारे झटके हो क्योंकि तुम हो हटके अरे तुम पर हम हैं अटके यारा दिल भी मारे झटके हो क्योंकि तुम हो हटके हीरे मोती मैं ना चाहूं मैं तो चाहूं संगम तेरा मैं तो तेरी सैया
अपने जिगर को थाम के बैठो अपने जिगर को अपने जिगर को थाम के बैठो थाम के बैठो थाम के बैठो के आंधी कमरिया से सारी के आई अब अंडी की बारी रे आंधी कमरिया से सारी के आई अब अंडी की बारी
तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी साथ क्या निभाओगे तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी साथ क्या निभाओगे तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी साथ क्या निभाओगे
हे डोला रे डोला रे डोला रे डोला है डोला दे डोला मंडोला रे डोला हे डोला रे डोला रे डोला रे डोला है डोला दे डोला मंडोला रे डोला
तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है
ஏண்டா இது சப்ப பீட்டு கொளுத்துக்கடா ஆ மஜாபா இதா ஏய் இடிடா வாடா பாத்தி கம்மி ஓகே ஓகே பாத்தி கம்மி ஓகே
Thank you for this wonderful performance, boys.
Our chief guest for the day is Colonel S.K. Padamji, President, Sardar Dastur Schools Trust. I now request Ayman Qazi to introduce our chief guest.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Ayman Qazi and I feel very honored to introduce the chief guest for today, Colonel S.K. Padamji, President of the Dastur Schools Trust. Colonel S.K. Padamji was born in Pune on May 23, 1927. He completed his education from Bishop's High School and Wadia College at Pune. He then graduated from the Indian Military Academy on December 21, 1947. Colonel S.K. Padamji was first posted to Skinner's Horse, the armed regiment of the Indian Army. Continuing in this field, he did various instructional courses at various military schools and centers around the country. He was then sent to England for a tank gunnery course at Lulworth in 1953, after which he was posted to the Armed Corps Center and School, Ahmednagar, as the tank gunnery instructor. In 1961, he was posted to the National Defense Academy, Khadakwasla, as squadron commander. In 1962, Colonel S.K. Padamji was called to the Army headquarters and asked whether he was willing to command the President's bodyguard. This prestigious posting is the only one where the incumbent is offered the posting and not ordered to take charge. He took command in October 1962 and carried out his duties diligently till 1966. After this prestigious assignment, he was personally summoned by Chief of Army Staff, General J. N. Chaudhary, and ordered to take charge of the 61st Cavalry at Jaipur. He commanded this regiment from October 1966 to July 1969. After retiring from the Indian Army, he joined his family business for a short period of time before joining Tata & Sons to look after their Tata Management Training Center in Pune. In addition to his glorious career in the armed forces, Colonel S.K. Padamji has been a very active member and president of the Sardar Dastur Schools Trust for many years. He has always shown a keen interest in our school's progress and achievements. He firmly believes that true education encompasses not only development of intellect, but also the development of a good character, compassion, and inquisitive nature, and a passion to learn with a positive attitude. We are indeed honored to have you in our midst today, sir. Your life and your work is an inspiration for students like us. We look forward to your support and guidance for many more years to come. We wish you good health and happiness always. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayman.
I request our chief guest, Colonel S.K. Padamji sir, to share a few words of inspiration and guidance with us.
Mrs. Kotapati, the principal of our boys' school, Mrs. Sheikh, who are the two stalwarts as far as the boys' school, any school is concerned, that is the principal and the supervisor. I'm a little overwhelmed by the things that have been asked, they've asked me to do, and I will do it to the best of my capacity. And firstly, I would like to just quickly run through a paragraph of the school, how it was formed and how it has progressed as far as the size is concerned. This school was initially inaugurated in 1912, is that?
Yes.
And by the Dastur family. The Dastur family comprised of priests. There were priests, and out of which two came out as two brothers. That was one was Noshirwan Dastur, who was a senior brother, and the other was Temas, who was the junior brother. The senior brother predeceased the junior brother, as a result of which the junior brother took it upon himself to start this august institution and organized it to function as, let's say, educational standing for the children of various caste, creed, or whatever you would like to call it. Eventually, it started by being a Zoroastrian organization, after which it was thrown open to the public, and eventually came under the august institutions of the Maharashtra government. If I had to read out the objectives of this school was originally planned to impart both physical and intellectual development, as well as to enable the pupils to acquire maturity. Maturity in their day-to-day life, maturity as far as their existence is concerned, a maturity of growing up to be responsible citizens of our country. And I think that we have achieved that object as far as that is concerned, because I find that our boys who have grown up to be mature, responsible, good citizens of our great country. If you go back a bit of a history as far as the teaching staff are concerned, we have gone through 31 let's say principals, acting principals, whatever the case may be. And I'll tell you a very funny aspect of this whole thing, and that is that going through the names of the principals who have gone through here, finally we've got our Mrs. Kotapati with us. Finally we've got our supervisor, Mrs. Sheikh, with us, who are doing a laudable job as far as the school is concerned. If I had to go through the list of names, it is a very funny thing. It's a very funny thing. I'm adding this to what has been handed down to me, to whatever it is, and that is that there was a Master Chizgar. Master Chizgar was an authority on mathematics. You'll be surprised to learn that Master Chizgar was here in September 1941. And in 1941, I also learned under him, mathematics learned under him, because he used to run a private organization near the market area, Cantonment Market. I have also met other principals who have been here, and if you go through the list, Mrs. Mauji was the person who I came in contact with in September 1981 to 82. She came to learn educational administration, how to run a school. And at that time, I was heading the Tata Management Training Center here in Pune, and they asked, all these principals requested that we run a program on administration, school administration, of which Mrs. Mauji, I think? Mrs. Mauji was one of the participants who I came in contact with. What I am very have any of you been through and found out the bust of a gentleman in your quadrangles? The bust of that particular person is that of an old boy of our school who passed out from the school through his matriculation, and that was an army officer. His name was Lieutenant Colonel Adi Tarapur. Adi Tarapur was an institution by himself. In the 1965 war with Pakistan, he died. during a battle with the tank regiment of the Pakistani army. He was injured badly, but even though he was injured, he stuck it out and went through the complete battle till he eventually passed away, for which our government gave him the award of a posthumous award of the Paramveer Chakra, which is the highest gallantry award one can ever get as far as the army is concerned. It is equivalent to the Victoria Cross in England, Paramveer Chakra in India. And he not only was an individual by himself, he was a great friend of ours. He was a great friend of mine. He came, eventually he came from Hyderabad. And he came here to do his schooling, and eventually he, I think 1943, I think it was, 1943 he passed out from here.
Yes, sir.
He did his matriculation from the school, and the surprising part of it is that how I had no knowledge at that particular, I beg your indulgence, I had no knowledge that he had ever come through our school, till a very good friend of ours in the army who brought it to my notice, and that friend was the ex-army commander here in Pune called Lieutenant General Aditya Singh. He one day got hold of me. I was coming back from Bombay for some reason or the other by car. He got me on the phone and he asked me a question. He said, do you know which school Adi Tarapur went to? I said, no, I don't. He said, well, when you go back, go to your boys' school and ask the principal to rummage through that record and find out, because I know for a fact that he passed out from the boys' school. And that's how I came to know that he had actually passed out from us. And he passed out in 1943, and that is why a few years ago, I put up a bust of his. Have any of you tried to find out why that bust was put up? I'm very certain that in actual fact, when we were doing the evening function of inaugurating that bust of Colonel Tarapur, just a handful of people knew who he was. Now that is what I'm coming to one point, and that is that to be citizens of our country, being members of a particular institution, one has to be knowledgeable to find out what the institution is, what the institution holds, and why is it there, and what are we supposed to do. Not just sit together, and that comes to my one word which I keep on harping on the fact, and that is togetherness. Togetherness of people who have done their schooling, done their college from one institution, and they have merged together to become good citizens of that particular institution as well as to the country. And I think we are achieving that goal. Mrs. Kotapan is here, Mrs. Sheikh is here. They are achieving that goal of getting together, getting to know each other, that after you pass out from an institution, you keep in touch with that institution and always be there to help out as much as one can. So let's hope that we will eventually, in the long run, be responsible people who have looked after our alma mater, let's put it that way. And that is the institution which set you up in life as good citizens, as good, reliable people who have done well for our country. I thank Mrs. Kodavati, I thank the staff of our institution. I thank you boys for asking me to come and meet you all and to say a few words which have some words that have been bugging me over the years. Togetherness. Yes. That is the word that, and also that togetherness works out for us. If we work together, we can achieve great heights for ourselves, for our country. I'm here on this dais, hobbling around with a stick in my hand, with a collar around my neck. I had a bit of a fall a couple of days ago, as a result of which I left with this in my hand. And just to bring to your notice that I'm an old fogey who has come in front of a young lot of people to talk to them. I'm 94 years old. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
We will now begin with our prize distribution and now hand over the mic to Harsh Naik.
Good morning to one and all present here. It is now time to acknowledge the academic achievers for the year 2019-20 and 2021. The Sardar Dastur Hoshang Boys High School has been very fortunate to receive scholarships from many people of the Zoroastrian community as well as ex-teachers and ex-students. Scholarships have been instituted for students standing first and second in their classes, for scoring the highest marks in the individual subjects, for the best science projects, 100% attendance, as well as for reading the most number of books. The scholarships have been instituted in the names of the following: Mrs. S.V. Bahulikar, Mr. Adi E. Tarapur, Mrs. M.S. Shrotri, late Master Chirag U. Patel, late Mrs. R.L. Gurav, late Mrs. Mani H. Dastur, late Mrs. Sakarbai Dara Doctor, late Anasuya Dattatreya Vinzi, and late Mr. S. D. Vinzi, late Mrs. Josephine Christie, late Mr. Rusi Meherwanji Patel, late Mrs. Mani Dinshaw Madan, late Mr. Jal Rustam Irani, late Professor Hoshang D. Mugad, and late Mrs. Mani J. Dadise. I request our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. V. R. Kotapati, to give away the scholarships and trophies to students whose academic performances have been outstanding. Prize winners for the year 2019-20 are: the scholarship for securing the first place in 5th A, deserving Parsi student and best speaker goes to Batliwala Darayas. The scholarship for standing second in 5th A and scoring the highest marks in maths goes to Shinde Vinayak. The scholarship for securing the first place in 5th B goes to Wag Adit. The scholarship for standing second in 5th B, scoring the highest marks in English and a deserving Parsi student goes to Batliwala Dariush. The scholarship for standing first in 6th A goes to Sheikh Khatibalam. Second place in 6th A goes to Gadia Jainam. The scholarship for standing first in 6th B, scoring the highest marks in English, junior programmer and well-read boy goes to Attar Zian. Second place in 6th B goes to Patil Prithviraj. The scholarship for securing the first place in 7th A, Best All-Rounder Student, and scoring the highest number of marks in Standard 7 goes to Patil Arsh. Second place in 7th A goes to Devkure Tirth. The scholarship for standing first in 7B, Best All-Rounder Student, scoring the highest marks in middle school goes to Qazi Ayman. Second place in 7B goes to Kakade Aniket. The scholarship for securing the first place in 8th A goes to Tamboli Tahir. Second place in 8th A goes to Hingne Samar. The scholarship for standing first in 8B and scoring the highest marks in high school goes to Mane Vipul. Second place in 8B goes to Mali Prathamesh. The scholarship for standing first in 9th A and scoring the highest marks in English and Marathi goes to Chavan Tanishq. The scholarship for standing second in 9th A and scoring the highest marks in social studies goes to Ghadge Soham. The scholarship for securing the first place in 9B, scoring the highest marks in Standard 9 and scoring the highest marks in maths and social studies goes to Shamlewale Sifan. The scholarship for standing second in 9B and scoring the highest marks in Hindi goes to Chilip Shreyash. The scholarship for the best all-rounder student, securing the first place in SSC, scoring the highest marks in English, Marathi, Social Studies, best leader, prefect, 100% attendance, and best speaker goes to Harkare Aman. The scholarship for standing second in SSC, scoring the highest marks in maths, science, and winner of the Hoshang D. Mugat Trophy for scoring the highest number of marks in maths goes to Lad Aditya. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in social studies and programmer of the year goes to Jadav Anshul. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in English goes to Sheikh Abdullah. The scholarship for the most deserving student goes to Sheikh Huzefa. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in Hindi in SSC 2020 goes to Mihir Bable. The scholarship for making outstanding science model for seniors goes to Suyash Chandolkar. The scholarship for making excellent drawings goes to Rani Varhad. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in maths in Standard 6 goes to Aryan Bandi. The scholarship for deserving student and a well-read boy in Standard 7 goes to Atharva Gaikwad. The scholarship for making excellent greeting cards goes to Rohan Zadav. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in English in Standard 7 goes to Namankit Dhanavale. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in maths in Standard 7 goes to Parth Barve. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in English in Standard 7 goes to Shreyas Atole. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in maths in Standard 8 goes to Hiten Oswal. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in English in Standard 8 goes to Taude Yash. The scholarship for making outstanding science models goes to Aryan Ladkat. The scholarship for deserving student goes to Amog Wag. Now we move on to the prize winners for the year 2020 to 21. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in 5th A and scoring the highest marks in maths goes to Bhasme Darshil. Second place in 5th A goes to Tingre Ranveer. The scholarship for standing first in 5th B and scoring the highest marks in maths goes to Bhosle Sarthak. Second place in 5th B goes to Jagtap Preet. The scholarship for standing first in 6th A, scoring the highest number of marks in English and most deserving Parsi student goes to Batliwala Darayas. Second place in 6th A goes to Shinde Vinayak. The scholarship was standing first in 6th B, scoring the highest marks in maths and junior programmer goes to Wag Adit. The scholarship was standing second in 6th B, a deserving Parsi student and best speaker in English goes to Batliwala Dariush. The scholarship for securing first place in 7th A and best all-rounder student goes to Sheikh Khatibalam. Second place in 7th A goes to Zadav Sarthak. The scholarship was standing first in 7B, Best All-Rounder Student, scoring highest marks in maths, English, and scoring highest number of marks in middle school goes to Attar Zian. The scholarship for standing second in 7B and making outstanding science model goes to Sonavane Sai. The scholarship for standing first in 8th A goes to Dhanavali Namankit. Second place in 8th A goes to Devkule Dev. The scholarship for standing first in 8B, scoring the highest marks in high school, scoring highest marks in maths, and best senior programmer goes to Qazi Ayman. Second place in 8B goes to Jagirdar Alkama. The scholarship for standing first in 9th A and most deserving student goes to Sable Smaran. Second place in 9th A goes to Mohite Siddharth. The scholarship for standing first in 9B and scoring highest marks in English goes to Sheikh Muhammad Khalid. The scholarship for standing second in 9B and scoring highest marks in Marathi goes to Mane Vipul. The scholarship was standing first in SSC, scoring the highest in maths, science, social studies, most deserving child, and winner of the late Professor Hoshai Mugat Trophy for scoring highest marks in maths goes to Shamle Wale Sifan. The scholarship for standing second in SSC and scoring highest marks in English and Marathi goes to Chavan Tanishq. The scholarship for the best all-rounder student, best prefect, and best speaker in English elocution goes to Dalal Umar. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in Hindi goes to Shreyas Chilip. The scholarship for 100% attendance goes to Sheikh Abdul Hadi. The scholarship for making outstanding model in science goes to Vivek Sai Aswani. The scholarship for needy Parsi student goes to Bezan Merchant. The scholarship for winning the drawing competition in Standard 6 goes to Zadav Nikhil. The scholarship for well-read boy in Standard 6 goes to Veer Rudra. The scholarship for well-read boy and scoring highest marks in English goes to Arsh Patil. The scholarship for winning the greeting card competition in Standard 8 goes to Aswanta Kaloke. The scholarship for scoring the highest marks in maths in Standard 9 goes to Harsh Naik. The scholarship for making outstanding science model for seniors goes to Suyesh Chandolkar. A hearty congratulations to all the winners. Let us now continue with the remaining part of the program. Over to Suyesh Chandolkar and Pranav Parab. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Disco is a genre of dance, music, and subculture that emerged in the 1970s. It started as a mixture of music from various popular dances. Dance styles were developed during the period of disco music. We now present a disco dance.
तुमने कभी किसी से प्यार किया? कभी किसी को दिल दिया? मैंने भी दिया। ला 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 मेरी उम्र के नौजवानों दिल न लगाना ओ दीवानों ये मेरी उम्र के नौजवानों दिल न लगाना ओ दीवानों मैंने प्यार करके चैन खोया नींद खोई अरे झूठ तो कहते नहीं है लोग कोई हे प्यार से बढ़कर नहीं है रोग कोई चलता नहीं है दिल दे के यारो इस दिल पे जोर कोई चलता नहीं है दिल दे के यारो इस दिल पे जोर कोई इस रोग का नहीं है इलाज दुनिया में और कोई तो गाओ ओ शांति 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 ओम शांति शांति शांति
कोई यहाँ आहा नाचे नाचे कोई वहाँ आहा नाचे नाचे सारे हंसी आहा नाचे नाचे सारे जवां आहा नाचे नाचे
Awa, awa. Awa, awa. कोई यहाँ है नाचे नाचे कोई वहाँ है नाचे नाचे सारे हंसी है नाचे नाचे सारे जवां है नाचे नाचे अव्वा अव्वा तुमसे प्यार अव्वा अव्वा मानो ना मेरे यार अव्वा अव्वा तुमसे प्यार
दुनिया दीवानी लगे कितनी सुहानी लगे कर दे जवानी बैंग बैंग गाऊं मैं गीत कोई सबकी कहानी लगे यादी पुरानी बैंग बैंग सारी फिजा
आहा नाचे नाचे
सारा जहां
आहा नाचे नाचे
नाचे जमाना नाच होके दीवाना नाच ला
Thank you, friends, for this great performance. The world is facing the coronavirus pandemic, one of the deadliest crises faced over the years. This virus has spread in nearly 210 countries around the world and taken numerous innocent lives. In these trying and testing times, we honor and salute all the COVID warriors for touching lives and healing people.
We dedicate Samarpan, a musical tribute to our COVID warriors.
हम सबको मिलकर कोविड-19 नाम की इस खतरनाक बीमारी को मात देनी है। अपने हाथ साबुन से लगातार धोएं, भीड़ से और बाकी लोगों से दूरी रखें। अपने घर से बाहर ना निकलें जब तक सरकार का आदेश ना हो। इस देश के फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स जैसे डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस, पुलिस और बाकी सरकारी कर्मचारी कोविड-19 से लड़ने में जुटे हुए हैं। आओ हम सब उनकी सहायता करें। घर पर रहें और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करें।
मामा कितने दिन हो गए? आज आप घर आओगे ना?
हाँ बेटा। बेटा, रोज न्यूज में डॉक्टरों के बारे में देखकर अब डर लगता है। तुम ठीक तो हो ना?
हाँ माँ।
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सो चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे
अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से अकेले लड़ते वक्त
अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं,
पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर, हम ही उनका परिवार, हम ही उनकी हिम्मत और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद।
मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ
इस कोरोना के डर से लोग सिर्फ एक टच से घबराते हैं।
हम डॉक्टर्स हैं, रोज मौत से हाथ मिलाकर आते हैं।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों
आरज़ू।
जवान अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर सरहद की सीमा रेखा की रक्षा कर रहे हैं।
लेकिन भारत की जीवन रेखा की जिम्मेदारी
अब हमारे हाथ है।
Thank you for this heart-touching performance.
And now, tighten your seatbelts for the grand finale.
सनसेट भाई तेरा फुल सेट है, मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा। देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को, तुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा। थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके, थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके, थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके, थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके, सारे Let's not joke. लगातार मेरे यार, दिन चार जिंदगी के तुझे ले हो जाओ तैयार। ये गाना है ऑन रिपीट, देखो बजती है बीट, न पड़ो तुम ढीले। बकवास भुला के कोई स्टेप सा बना के, हाथ ऊपर उठा के पूरी जान लगा के, सारे Let's not joke.
Put your hands together for this outstanding performance. Thank you, one and all. I request our head boy, Aditya Nikam, to give the vote of thanks.
Before we reach the end of our program, and I start with the customary vote of thanks, I would like to read out a poem, which is a tribute to the never say die attitude of mankind, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर, भर कर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही, कुछ कर जाए, कुछ कर जाए। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। बंजर माटी में पलकर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ, मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ, शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे? मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? इस जग में जितने जुल्म नहीं, इस जग में जितने जुल्म नहीं, उतना सहने की ताकत है। तानों के भी शोर में रहकर सच कहने की आदत है। मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूँ, मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूँ, तुम कितने कंकड़ फेंकोगे? चुन चुन कर आगे बढ़ूंगा मैं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। अपने ही हाथों रचा स्वयं, तुमसे मिटने का खौफ नहीं। तुम हालातों की भट्टी में जब जब भी मुझको झोंकोगे, तब तब कर सोना बनूंगा मैं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? I hope you enjoyed our annual concert and prize distribution ceremony as much as we have enjoyed putting it up for you all. At the outset, we would like to thank the management of the Dastur schools for allowing us this opportunity. It was just what we needed after being forced to stay at home for more than a year. These joyful and energetic performances were a much needed break from the sedentary routine we had fallen into. Our deep gratitude to our principal, Mrs. V.R. Kotapati, and all our teaching and non-teaching staff members who supported us every step of the way, who readily accepted the challenge of organizing an annual concert online for the first time ever in their professional careers. Thank you, ma'am and teachers. We would like to extend our thanks to the principal of the Bai Najamai Primary School, Mrs. Leena Wilson, for permitting the use of the Mazda Hall for our program, and also to their support staff as well. A big shout out to Mr. Narayan, whose brilliant choreography was the highlight of the show. Thank you, Mr. Jay Prakash of the iPlus Media Solutions, whose expert use of graphics and videos has helped make our program memorable. This program would not have been possible without the enthusiastic participation of all the student performers. And last but not the least, I would like to thank the support staff, all our kakas. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Aditya. Before we draw the curtain, I take the opportunity to thank all those who have lent a helping hand to make this annual day celebration a grand success.
I would like to quote the words of late Ms. Sunu Doctor, "Good thoughts, good words, good deeds is our motto to succeed." Unquote. Thank you.
I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.